Hi everybody, Robert here again with more Revit training, and today we're going to continue where we left off and deal with this surface here. So that was my bad, I made a mistake. Now what we need to do, let's just do the ceiling and this driveway and grass. So what happens here is we'll select here in our properties dialog box, we'll select our material category, then we'll select it. Now we don't have grass here, so what I will do is we'll have to create some. So I'll just hit the little create and duplicate materials. We'll create a new material. We'll select this one. We'll right click and rename it to grass. Click apply. No. Then we want to go, not yet, we want to go to our asset browser. Select it, and these are all of our asset materials. So I'll just select grass here. We should have a whole selection of different grass types. There we are. So you can select between all these. So what I'm going to select, I guess I'll do with the, I'll just go with the Bermuda grass, and then we'll push these two arrows here to the right, and that just pushes it over, and there's our grass material. And look at graphics, and we're going to use render appearance. Click apply, close that, okay, and there's our grass. That's simple. So now let's look at this roof. And same thing with the roof, a little differently. How did you do materials? You have to edit this type here and go into our structure. And so we didn't split this out or anything, but so we can just select this guy here, and let's just see, we got asphalt shingles in here. Okay, asphalt shingle, we'll select it. We'll use render appearance. Okay, this is still updating, don't worry about that. Apply. Okay. Okay. So if I look at this realistically, there's our shingles. So now let's go into our site plan and let's look at how we want to do our road and our driveway and our sidewalk. So here, this is basically going to happen. We'll go into our site, and first things first, I want to just use the annotate tab and go and draw some detail lines here. It makes it a lot easier. Just make this simple. Driveway here. We'll get a little sidewalk in front of his house. Oh gosh. So that. Let's just push that right about to there. Come here. We'll come out this way. Now draw another line here. Just roughing this in, you know what I'm saying? That wouldn't be that wide. Let's just copy it down a meter. Well, 1500, 1400, well, 15. And then we'll go across to here. This will be our sidewalk. And now what I'll do here, I'll just do this. Make this simple. Let's just bring this over here. And let's bring this down a little wider. And then let's just go here and draw a line, and then let's do a radius here. Click radius, and I guess a meter is fine. And then another one here. And now we want to go into our massing and site, and we want to split surface. So what we do here, we'll select this surface right here, and then we'll pick line. We used to pick lines, so we'll pick our detail lines that we brought in. Just pick. And now, only thing we have to know is these have to be closed surfaces, so I need to add this one to close, this one to close, and I believe we need one up here. Now, if all was well, we should be able to finish this. And we have a problem. The boundary cannot, okay, cancel that. So you've got something overlapping or something's not right. So I'm going to just go and see if I can trim all these corners. Let's see something here. Like that. I think that was the problem right there. But I didn't catch it. Let's try this again. Line there. And go to here. Try this one more time. Finish. Splitting boundary drawn would result in self-intersection of the surface boundary. Please edit your splitting points to correct the problem. Okay, so something's wrong here. So I'm going to just go in here and tighten all this up. Better yet, I have a better idea. We might do this over. Let's just do a line from here, here, and just clean this up. Maybe your way was better. There we go. So there's our surface. And then what we do with that one, we'll take this guy and change the material to, I don't know, like 2 minutes. Will I add it in here? Like two. So I'm going to just go with asphalt. Or asphalt dam proofing. That's basically what it is. So I'm going to use rendered appearance. It's just updating from the last. I'll just click apply. Okay. And we'll go and look at that in our 3D view. And there's our surface with our grade, with our driveway. So now what's nice about this, we can go back into our site plan and we can just edit this. We can just select this guy and we can edit this surface. I'm going to just push this over a bit. No, I don't want to do that. Let's undo that. But there you go. This is just a simple way of how we do did our finishes. Thank you for all watching, and maybe we'll add some site elements. Actually, let's pop some in right quick here. Site plan, and we go to site and mass. We can go just pick up these components. There's a tree here, I guess. One here, one there. See what else we got here. We can pick up site component. So we have our trees, and then we have a whole selection here. Let's go with a birch here. And then I'm going to go back into my site and see what we're looking at, to our 3D view. Okay, and there we go. So that's looking pretty good, folks. Appreciate you watching this very basic exercise. We can do a lot with this, but I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks again, and please subscribe. Bye, y'all.